Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on advanced and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find screen timeout. Let's enter. And as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose, so we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got the last option applied because of course it is marked and it was notified before on the before step. So all we have to do right now in order to change the screen timeout is to simply tap on the one we would like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes and as you can see it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.